In this video, I am going to explain a chemical kinetics chapter, NEET questions. Order. So I have selected today's topic is order. Order is a definition we all know. Order can be positive, negative, zero and fractional order. All we have. So first one, I am going to give some theory questions. Previous year, based on previous year, some questions I have selected. So we look into the questions now. Zero order reaction. See, first one, order. It can be positive, it can be negative, it can be zero, first order, second order, third order, like that. And fractional orders also, decomposition of acetaldehyde. These are all examples of fractional order. And zero order. So zero order also we have. That means the rate is directly proportional to the concentration of the reactants raised to the power 0. So, and first order means raised to the power 1, second order means 2, like that it is there. And order sum, suppose they give rate law like this, A into B. Okay. So, what is overall, with respect to A, order is 1, with respect to B, order is 1, and overall order, how we are calculating? So, sum of the powers of the reactants raised to the power of stoichiometric coefficients in experimentally determined rate equation. So, this is experimentally determined rate equation. You can add 1 plus 1, 2. So, such easy questions you can expect in KCET level and MCET level. Now, here, this is mains and NEET examination, zero order reaction. Zero order, we have some theory questions also, students. Theory questions. So this is heterogeneous, all heterogeneous. I am writing word here to save the time. Some points already have written. All heterogeneous gaseous reactions in the presence of solid catalyst, example of zero order reaction. See, students, this is heterogeneous gas. This is homogeneous. Homo is nothing but similar atoms, same atoms. Hetero is nothing but two different atoms, that too in gaseous state. All heterogeneous gaseous reactions in the presence of solid catalyst. You can see heterogeneous here. Not only this one, students. You can take another example like HI. If you have seen like a catalyst, platinum or tungsten, solid catalyst, definitely that is also falls under zero order reaction. When it is at high pressure only, we have to read properly this question. Low pressure and high pressure both they will mention. At high pressure only it falls under zero order. At low pressure again it falls under first order. Why? We have learnt already this point in surface chemistry. In surface chemistry, chemisorption. So if you look into the graph, at low pressure, what happens, students? Adsorption increasing, right? Adsorption increasing. So at high pressures, what happened? Langmuir had given explanation of high pressure. What happened? So I am briefly explaining here points. Next videos, I am going to do surface chemistry also. There we can discuss more. Okay, here at high pressure, students, what happened? High pressure, suppose this is a catalyst. Okay, catalyst with high pressure, we are sending. High pressure, we are sending. At low pressure, anything, you are sending gaseous molecules. First, what happened? Adsorption. All gaseous molecules on surface sitting. Adsorption takes place. Suppose physisorption, no. Because of weak van der Waals forces between adsorbate and adsorbent, multi-layer it can form. That's why if you increase pressure, adsorption increases. But here chemisorption case is not like that. Chemisorption, what happens if you send pressure with high pressure or low pressure, then what happens, students? Chemisorption with monolayer, it forms monolayer. Entire surface occupied the particles. Then further you send with high pressure also. There is no further absorption. That's why in high pressure region, if you increase pressure also, there is no absorption. Is it clear? Simple one point I am telling. Chemisorption, monolayer. Physisorption, multi-layer. If you send with high pressure, then what happens? Further layers, it is possible, adsorption takes place. But here Langmuir adsorption, this is the high pressure region is chemisorption. Chemisorption here, what happened? It is monolayer, right students? Monolayer. Monolayer. Once adsorption takes place, once adsorption completed, so after that you can send with high pressure also, no more adsorption, no further adsorption. That's why we are getting constant. Process is going on, but adsorption is not taking place. That's why we are getting straight line graph. This is a brief explanation I had given to understand this one. So you can remember finally at high pressure only falls under zero order reaction. At low pressure it falls first order reaction. First low pressure, no, you are increasing, sorry, you are sending gaseous molecules are absorbing. Absorbing is nothing but then what happened at surface? It is adsorption. That means adsorption increases, no, right? Low pressure, that's a straight line. High pressure it is independent. Now next one, point 2. All photochemical reactions also falls under zero order reaction. These are straightforward questions, straight questions. Just you can see any catalyst. See students, one more point. 2 moles of HI, just they are not given this catalyst H2 plus I2. It falls under second order. Second order. But they gave solid catalyst. No, it falls under zero order. Note down this point. Next, all photochemical reactions also falls under zero order reaction. Process is going on, but reaction seems to be constant. It is independent. Next one, first order reaction. First order reaction, here we have direct questions, like we have two types, elementary reactions and complex reactions. Elementary reactions and elementary reactions is nothing but simply I am telling here single step, like PCl5. PCl5 decomposes. You will get PCl3 plus Cl2. Right? It is in gaseous state. It is also in gaseous state. It is also in gaseous state. So this is single step. Single step is nothing but rate law. How to write? No? How to write PCl5 power 1. That's it. This is first order. First order. For elementary reactions, order and molecularity same. Order and molecularity same. But whatever I had given, your two equations seems to be, it is 2. But we expected order is 2, but it's completely wrong. Order is experimental information. Experimentally determined rate equation. Experimentally determined rate equation. Based on experiment only, we have to do. So this is thermal decomposition, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide and thermal decomposition of nitrogen tetroxide. You will get these two reactions falls under first order. How? This is one reaction I will explain. Next one you can try to do. So complex reaction. In complex reaction is nothing but more than one step. It follows more than one step. Clear? So first step, what happens students? H2O2 decomposes to H2O plus nascent oxygen. This nascent oxygen is one of the reaction intermediate. Whenever reaction intermediate is there, then reaction intermediate's lifetime is very less and reactivity is very high. So then one more mole of H2O2 reacts with the nascent oxygen. Finally, you will get water and oxygen. So if you balance this reaction, these two gets cancelled. And students, this is slow step. First step, slow step. Once reaction intermediate is generated in the vessel reaction, it will go fast. Okay, finally, what is the reaction? 2H2O2 gives rise to 2H2O plus O2. Clear? See the above reactions and this reaction is same, but it follows the mechanism. Based on mechanism, so we have to decide the rate. So definitely out of two steps, they will mention one step is slow step. Based on slow step, we are writing the rate. So I am writing here rate, students. What is this? R equal to K into H2O2. Same thing here also. R equal to K into N2O5. Thermal decomposition of N2O5, H2O2 both falls under first order. So listen and note down this point. Try to do this question. Okay, students. Now this is one of the good model. Order can be negative. I had given in the first point. No, see when order is negative. Decomposition of O3. Decomposition of O3. Okay, that is an exothermic reaction. Mechanism they had given. Students, mechanism. If they had given mechanism like this, mechanism like this. One is slow step, one is fast step. That too fast step, it is in equilibrium condition. Equilibrium condition, the process is different process. I will show what is that. Okay, some of the students, they are writing rate law like this, R equal to K into O into O3. So what is this? 1, 1. With respect to this one, order, overall order equal to 2. Like that they were selecting, but this is completely wrong. Why it is wrong? If you have seen mechanism type questions, mechanism, and next one is fast step, one is slow step, and equilibrium step, especially equilibrium step is there, we have to follow like this process. Step 1. What is the step 1? First, from slow step. From slow step, we have to write rate law. R equal to K into, this is oxygen and O3. This is concentration of reactants we have written. Next, step 2, from fast step. From fast step, what we have to do? We have to write Kc expression. Kc expression, concentration of products by concentration of reactants. Right. So, concentration of products O2 into O by O3. Clear? So, this is Kc. This is from this, definitely one common term will be there. One common term will be there. That common term you have to bring one side. So then from this you can write Kc equal to O2 into O by O3. Okay. See, this equation, let it be equation 1. If this is equation 2, suppose, definitely one common term will be there. This is the common term, oxygen. You can bring one side. Oxygen equal to, you can write oxygen equal to Kc into O3, O3 by O2. Clear? So this is equation 2. Equation 2. Substitute 1. Equation 2 in 1. In 1. That's all. You will get expression. I am writing little clumsy. So little nerd students here. R equal to K into, instead of oxygen concentration, you can substitute this one. K into Kc into O3 by O2, and as it is, instead of oxygen concentration, we have written this one. Next to this one, as it is, you can write O3. So then you can write final one, K into Kc. You are taking one more constant, K dash. Next O3 square, and this is what? O2 power minus 1. See, with respect to O3, order is 2. With respect to O2 is order is 1. Order is minus 1. Here order can be negative. Order can be negative. We have to write like this. Is it clear, students? Clear? Check it. Finally, I am writing order here. R equal to K dash into O3 to the power 2 and O2 power minus 1. With respect to O3, they will ask order with respect to O2 and overall order. Sum of these two, you will get overall order. Clear, students? Now, next question. This is the same 2017 version. 2017 model. This is the equation. See, they had given hypothetical reaction more than 2 steps. So that one is equilibrium, one is fast step. If they have mentioned same process. You can do same process. So first one, what we can do? Solution also I am giving here only. Slow step. Slow step you can take rate law. R equal to K into X into 2. Right? This is, let it be equation 1. From fast step, first to fast step you can select common term, you will get it. From fast step, what you will write? Concentration. Kc equal to X into X by X2. Right? So definitely common term is there, no? X you have to bring one side. First you can simplify Kc equal to X square by X2. Okay. So now X equal to Kc into, this is constant, no? Leave it like this, X to the power 1 by 2. This is equation 2. Again same thing, 2 in 1. Substitute. So common term X is there, no? Instead of X you can substitute this one. R equal to K into Kc into X to the power 1 by 2 into Y2. See, that's it. What is the overall order? This with respect to x2 1 by 2, with respect to y2 order is 1. What is overall order? Overall order only they asked. Overall order equal to 1 plus 1, 2, that is 1.5. That's it, students. The same models they are asking mains exam also. Clear? These two questions we can work out after the previous year questions. We can solve. Next, 2019 and 2020 also same model they asked. A first order reaction has just values they changed, that's it. A first order reaction has a rate constant students, rate constant or specific rate constant and one more, velocity constant. All three are same. All three are same. Sometimes velocity constant, sometimes specific rate constant, sometimes rate constant they were mentioning in the given question. Okay, finally, what is this? A first order reaction has a rate constant. Rate constant we are representing K. K equal to what is the value they gave? 2.303 to the power of minus 3. Second inverse. Second inverse means it is first order. If they are not mentioned also second inverse. Why? Because based on units. How to calculate units? Mole, liter inverse. This is the formula. 1 minus n second inverse. If n equal to 0, 0 order unit. If n equal to 1, first order unit. If n equal to order units, you will get like this. Here second inverse first order. The time required for 40 grams of this reactant to reduce 100 grams will be. So what is the formula, students? K equal to 2.303 by T log A by A minus X. Here A equal to 100%. Sometimes in the questions 75% dissociated means 100 is A, 75% this is X value. And sometimes they will mention 90%, sometimes they will mention 99%. All models same like this only. Okay, so see, one question is there. T 75% equal to 2 into T off. How can you prove? So what is the relation between T 75 and T off? Like that they will ask question, same formula. So K equal to, then what they are asking students? The time required they are asking. Then you can take time T equal to 2.303 by K log, tell me, 100 by 100 minus values also they had given. Direct values here you can take it. So what is the first one? A value directly they had given, no, here 40. This is 10. Direct values you can substitute. Sometimes they will mention 45%, sometimes they will mention 75%. That percentage we can substitute. So I will show one question like that. So here directly values they had given means values we can take it. 40 by 10. 40 by 10. That's it, students will get answer. 40 by 10. So now simplify. So what is the K value? How much? Yes. T equal to 2.303 by, what is K value? 2.303 into 10 to the power of minus 3. These two gets cancelled. Log 40 by 10 less log 4 value. So students, log 4 value 0.6021. How to remember log values also? Within minute I will tell you the shortcuts. Okay, 1 second. Let me complete this one. So what happened afterwards? What is this? 10 to the power. Simplify. So T equal to 10 to the power of 3 into log 4, 0.6021. So nearly you will get answer. How much? 10.2. This is we have to write 6.021. So then nearly you will get 600. 600 point seconds. Okay, time seconds. This is your answer. Same similar model 2000. Whatever what I mentioned just now. 2019 and 2020 model. Just they changes the values. Now just now I said no logarithm values. I'll give it to you. Next videos, coming videos, I can do more chemical kinetics questions. First, everyone, you have to practice this logarithm values and come. Okay, so log 2 0.3010, log 3 0.4771, and log 4 0.6021, and log 5 0.6990, and log 6 0.7280, log 7 0.8020, log 8 0.9030, slight variations last digit, log 9 equal to 0.9830 or 984, log 9, that is log 10 1, log 100, how to write, students? Log 10 to the power of 2. How to simplify? 2 into log 10, so that is 2, log 2, that's why 2. Suppose they ask the question log 1000. Log 1000 means just how many zeros are there? That's it, your value 3. How? Why? Log 10 to the power of 3. How can you write? 3 into log 10. So this is 3 answer. Log 1000 means 4. Okay. Log 10,000 means 4, like that. See, students, I said one shortcut, I will give it to you. Suppose if you need log 2 value means just next number you can take it, 0.3. That's it. Okay, with the 2 digits also you'll get the near answer, no problem. And next one, only we have 2 exceptions here. Remaining all the cases you can apply the same shortcut. What is this? Suppose shortcut. What is that? Log 2. We need log 2. Go for next value like 0.3. Okay, decimal values only 0.3. So logarithm books means log 20 under 0, like that we are seeing. But here you no need to see. They will give logarithm books in a what is this, examination time also. Sometimes it may come to your place, it may not come to your place. Better to remember all the values. It's easy. See, log 3 you want, very next number. Log 5 next number, log 6 next number, log 7 next number, 0.8, 0.9, log 10 1. Okay, log 10 1. Why? Log 10 means log 10 1, same like we have written here, no, 10 to the power of 1. So now next one, students, one more point. What is this? Log 4. Log 4 value, not very next number. After that you will get it. You have to remember this one, 0.6021. And the log 9 also, next number we are not getting. The same number you will get. That's it. So remaining all the values very easily we can remember. And the next last question, one more. That is T 75% equal to T of. T 75% equal to 2 into T of. How do you show? So relations. Okay, what is that? So K equal to 0.03 by T log 100 A by A minus. Okay, so I am giving hint, students, everyone. I'm going to do this question solution, and the next questions also similar models we can do, previous year questions. Okay, how to do first? You can substitute and x 75 is equal to 100 by 50. Clear? And next, limiting reagent, one question I asked, no? Limiting reagent answer is second option, students. Even limiting reagent solution also, next video I can upload because it is lengthy. That's the reason I'm going to close this one, students. Thank you. Thanks for watching. And who are preparing for final mains and NEET, and who are there in first year and second years also, useful videos I'm going to do, students. Please everyone watch it. So, and try to do questions in your books and get benefit. Thank you, students. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel.